Hi guys, today I'm going to unbox another Louis Vuitton bag. This is special dahil limited collection siya and it was released 2023, I believe March 2023, and yung first collaboration actually was released 2012. Tapos ginawa ulit nila, and this is the, okay, let's see, diba? Taran! Alam nyo na, when you see polka dots, alam nyo na, it's the Yayoi Kusama Louis Vuitton collaboration, and this is the Speedy 25 bando in monogram. Bando meaning it has a strap, syempre. So size 25. It's unused condition, almost brand new. Ayan. Super nice. And syempre kapag limited collection, hindi na siya available online on their website, pwede mo na lang tumabili sa mga resellers or sa mga taong nagko-collect talaga ng limited collection pieces. So this is the Yayoi Kusama Speedy 25 LV collection. Diba? Super linis. Super linis, unused. So you can see yung size dito, the heat stamp, made in France. So yan yung zipper, walang mga hairlines. And yung handle, walang watermarks. May balot pa, syempre para hindi malagyan ng plastic. Hindi madumihan. Let's open. Nilagyan ko lang ng insert. So, kahit sa loob may ibang design siya. Like yung pangalan, you know, Louis Vuitton. It says Louis Vuitton Yayoi Kusama 2023. Yung interior is very nice. Parang may polka dots din. Siyempre may pocket. May libro. Tapos, it came with a strap. Tignan natin yung strap. I think merong nabibiling insert for Speedy 25. So, I guess it's nice to have an insert para hindi mayupi-yupi. So, yan. This is the strap. Brand new. Diba ang ganda? May nakalagay din bang Yayoi dito? Yan. Brand new. And this is the lock and key. Diba? May nakalagay bang Yayoi? Wala. Padlock and key, dalawang key. 877. Ay, 677 pala. So yan. Super nice. So this is my very first bag from the collection. So nakakatuwa na nakapag-source tayo ng bag from Yayoi Kusama and LV. So tignan natin yung strap. Ito yung mga magagandang investment pieces from LV kasi mataas talaga yung value niya. Kasi collaboration siya. So, hindi na siya available sa website.